Hello everybody, so today in this video I'm doing a video on Conturve? Conturve. Now this is a brand that I had been seeing all over my Instagram and my Facebook in like sponsored ads and stuff. A little while back I did actually decide to purchase some. Then about a week or two ago the company actually contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a video on the brand. Now I jumped at the chance because, as I said, I had ordered some of these before and absolutely loved them. So I was like, yeah, if you want to send me some more, I'm all down for that and I will do a video for you because, yeah, I'm a big fan of these items. Genuinely. Like, I have bought 3 pairs myself and I've got one here that was sent to me. These ones are brand new. I have not opened these yet. So Conturve, this brand right here, they are a kind of shapewear company. You will have probably seen their adverts all over Facebook and stuff. And I saw them and at first I was like, oh, do they work? I've tried these kind of things before. They don't usually work. But then I decided I'm just gonna go and get some. And I have not looked back. I'm not kidding. These are incredible. They actually do what they are supposed to do. Let me open these ones up for you. So as I say, these ones are brand new, but I have worn the other ones before. So these ones are the short ones. I haven't actually had any of the short ones before. I've had the normal pant ones, but if you see in the adverts, they have like an anti-roll feature, which is something that I didn't know existed, and if I've tried it before, it never worked. If you wear shapewear to pull you in or whatever, you might know that the roll down is real. Many times I bought shapewear, pulled it up, and then it's just rolled down like within 15 minutes of me starting wearing it. I hate it. These do not have that issue at all because of this wonderful thing right here. It is a really soft, kind of like, it feels like rubber. It's very malleable, so you can't feel that it is there, but it is kind of a little bit sticky to the skin, and that is what stops these from rolling down. These do not budge at all throughout the day. They stay in place, they hold you in incredibly well. I never feel overly self-conscious when I'm wearing these, whereas usually I do, but these, I never worry about them rolling down. I never worry about anything to do with these. They are just incredible. The stretch on them is brilliant as well. You get loads of stretch, so yeah, these hold you in all of the right places as well. If you have like a dress or something that you feel like, I would feel so much more confident if I was smooth, at least, these do that job. They smooth out everything. Clothes and stuff, they hang so much nicer. Dresses look so much better just by wearing like literally this. These are awesome. I'm not getting paid to say this, by the way. As I said, I have bought these myself and then they have sent me these to review, to do a video on. I wasn't going to make a video on them, but when they said they were going to send me some and asked me to make a video, I was like, yeah, sure, I love them already. So yeah, this is genuinely a godsend. I cannot tell you enough how much difference this makes. They do not budge, they feel so secure. I'm not sure if there's anything else that I can say about these. I want to go and check them out. It's conturve.com. You are your own masterpiece. I like that. So yeah, this video is all over the place, but I do just want to say thank you to Conturve for reaching out to me and asking me if I wanted to make a video on these. The answer is yes, because they're awesome. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment if you've tried these before as well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!